Hey folks, AJ here. I want to show you a retrofit kit that you can use to replace the old DVSC kits that might be in your Whirlpool bathtub. If you have any keypad that looks like this or a control box that says DVSC on it, this is going to be the retrofit kit for you. Now, the original DVSC kit controlled a variable speed pump and a light. Unfortunately, there is no kit on the market that fits in the same hole as the DVSC kit that operates a light. Just a variable speed pump. So you're going to lose the light function with these new control systems. This is the keypad for the new control system. It comes in white with a chrome trim, and the face measures 2 5/16 across, so we'll easily cover the hole from the old button. This is a simple peel and stick button. You're just going to peel off the 3M tape that's here, and then stick it down to the bathtub. All right, let me give you a close-up of how the plugs go together. So you get an arch there on the pad itself, and then there's a little arch there on the plug end. It's a 4-pin connection, so make sure all 4 pins are inside of the plug. Slide it in, and you're good to go. All right, now that the keypad is plugged into the control box, let me show you more about the control box. Control box has a male plug that'll go into your outlet and a female plug that the pump will plug into. It also has this bonding lug. Make sure this control box is bonded to your house. Okay, now that we have everything plugged in and powered up, let me show the function of this button. On the left, we have the power on-off button. Middle button is speed up and speed down. And the broken circle button on the right hand side is your wave and pulse mode. And that's everything you need to know about the retrofit kit we offer for the old discontinued DVSC kits found in many luxury Whirlpool bathtubs. We are proud to be your Whirlpool Tub Parts Authority.